Today I'm doing a kind of a review test kind of video where I'm trying to bring back this old HP Veer back to life, because what happened was it doesn't have the standard kind of port. It's got this kind of magnetic port, but the cable that was used to charge it broke, and so I read online that there may be a chance that this can also be charged wirelessly, and so that's what we did here. I went ahead and bought this. I can't really tell if it's nameless or whatever it was. I'm sure it wasn't nameless when I bought it online, but the packaging, gotta say, wasn't really done too well. It also came in kind of beat up, as you can see, even though it's new. But we'll give it a shot and see if it actually works or charges anything at all. So start by taking it out of here, and what you got is the wireless Chi charger, or whatever it is that they call it these days. And then we'll get everything else that's in there. Got the instructions manual and the standard USB connector here. It's supposed to be 5 volts charging capabilities. So that's a plus, I guess. I'm going to put this in here. Hopefully work out. Try to align it properly. Went in. Fantastic. Then this will go into the USB thingy here. There. Went in beautifully. Then I'm going to put it onto power over there. It looks like it started off with a red glow. I don't know if it will change once you put a chargeable device on it, but it seems to stay red. As far as I can remember, to turn off the Veer, you press that little button on the side here. We will give that a shot. Although I'm sure it'll probably require more charging than just 2 seconds on here, so maybe I will come back later on and let you know after maybe like 30 minutes of charging whether it turns on, because it doesn't look like it's doing anything right now. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will give you my final thoughts on whether this works or not later on. I do not have a secondary device that I can try the wireless Chi charging on, so we'll just have to wait.